An easy one first. When do you predict the first Eagles-Dockers grand final will be played in the new Perth Stadium? The hard one. The new media deal. Do you believe that you've done enough in order to protect the AFL base in the light of increasing ticket prices and more coverage on pay TV? And a question on behalf of a young Melbourne Aussie Rules player who's now playing college football in the US and a great love of our game and wants to know when we'll consider changing the rules around kickback so that we don't have the time wasting when someone deliberately kicks back, a mark is awarded, it should have been play on if we want the game to continue to be the brilliant, fast-moving spectacle that it is.
3 questions.
That's 3 questions. You can only take one on notice.
Well, the third question...
One of world sport's biggest events is coming. Our superstar Wallabies take on the world for rugby's ultimate prize. See every Australian match and every finals battle live and exclusively free in HD. Can Australia
I make it happen though. Let's do it soon, but it was nice and loyal. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. But I wanna be more than a friend. Oh yeah, nice and loyal. Let's do it again. How we did it on a one night stand. But I wanna be more than a friend. Oh yeah, do it again.
Hey baby, are you sure that you want it? Or caught up in the moment? Let me know now. Oh baby, got a little crazy on the first night, so I'ma have to do you better than the first time. I'm loving how you scratching and you gritting your teeth. I'm loving how that booty shake when it's on me. You got a nigga blowing up your caller ID. Guess it was all a setup. You